It's the evening of June 11, and this is the end of the week, and the stone guys have completed the stonework up to the back of this rail car. Today I went to get some concrete block for the block work I need to do this weekend, and this area right here all fit barely on one pallet, and unfortunately the pallet was a stretch pallet, and when I picked it up with the bobcat and set it down on the rail car, when I finally got into the backyard, I realized that it was too wide and it would drag the wall. Well, it wouldn't go anywhere, I'm sure. So I ended up unloading everything. I'll have to push this back after I'm done with this video. As I mentioned yesterday, all the base rock is completed. They just got started with 3 stones. We're gonna have a soldier that runs, that's what this style is called, perpendicular rectangular stones up against some type of building. It's called a soldier. And they just installed that piece. The other 3 pieces that you see around it are just to hold it in place. So that way on Monday when they get started, they have a reference. All the stonework, all the black stone, what we call the service stone, has been completed also. They just finished this up today. So you can see this area has been installed. That's why it's nice and dark yet. All the whiteness is because of all the cutting dust that is created from using this brick saw and the big 240 volt stone saw. And over to the left, we can take a quick look at where we are. Nothing's changed here. The concrete guys, they dug this out. It's a little easier to see that we now have to go from this upper level here down to the lower level in 3 steps. And you can take a look at, here's the foundation. You can see some of the blue and green lines that I already have in place for where the block is going to go. And here we'll have 3 steps up as well and a planter. And they are just getting started forming the wall. That it's going to be a much shorter wall than the one on the far side. We'll need a railing on that. And then of course this wall right here, this is the foundation. I think we're going to end up having this kind of wall continue on, but I think we're going to raise it and put a bench there. And of course you can see on the corner right now there will be a pilaster, one on the far side and an opposing one right here. Hopefully I'll get that all done this weekend. Not sure if it'll happen, but I will try hard.